Hey guys, João Montenegro, CPO at Polkastarter here, and today I'm going to introduce you to a couple of changes we've been doing to the NFT sale page. So what you're looking at is a demo, so a simulation of what's going to happen in the sale of Planet Mojo, and it's going to go as an example of what you can expect in an NFT sale at Polkastarter. So let's get started. So as you can see, there's already a little bit of a change here and there. The page is continuously improving. The first thing we can see is that the inventory, the tab, is a bit more fleshed out. So you can see a preview of the item we're going to be able to purchase. We can see how many are available. And currently I'm simulating an NFT sale. So it's as if people are buying it. We can see the number of available out of the total. And to see the price of each one of the items. And you can even read more and see a big expanded view of what are we going to be purchasing and a couple more details. Planet Mojo is actually selling a starter pack that includes multiple NFTs. So this is something that's important when you try to buy an NFT and you want to know exactly what you are going in for. So let's just jump into the sale page. Okay, so the sale page basically continues the same logic as a swap page. I accept the disclaimer to proceed with the sale, and I am in. Now I can see what I am buying. And as you can see, there's a couple of details here that I have to pay attention to in order to make sure that I can purchase my NFT. For starters, I have a max allocation. So this means that I will not be able to buy any accumulated amount larger than this value. In this case, I'm testing it with a testnet. Therefore, the number is not, of course, the same as you're going to see in Planet Mojo, but you will see the same exact mechanics. So I haven't purchased anything yet. I still have a total available allocation, and it gives me an estimation of what will happen when I buy. So if I come here and I press 1, I'll get to 0 after I purchase, and this will be the total price plus gas. If I increase the number, in this case, I'm exceeding the max allocation. So in this sale, I'm only able to buy one item because the item price is capped to the max allocation. And this is it, basically. In multiple items lists, you'll see more than one, and you'll be able to buy multiple items. But in this case, Planet Mojo only has one item. I'm just going to finish by authorizing the wallet first before I can actually purchase. This will go through my MetaMask. All right, now I can give permission. And it went through, so my wallet is now authorized to buy, and I just need to click buy, and it will send a request to my wallet. All right, now I can review the gas fees, see the total price, press confirm, and done. I just bought an NFT. So as you can see, I've reached the limit of the amount of items I can buy because my max allocation has reached 0. Now I can go to my portfolio page to check out my new NFT. And this will take a while to load, as you know, but as soon as they're ready, it will appear here in my active allocations.